Hello everyone, today we'll talk about pyridine insecticides. Pyridine insecticides are insecticides that contain pyridine rings. After the 1990s, pyridine pesticides saw significant development and spread across different categories and structural types of pesticides. Pyridine insecticides come in many different types with varying biological activity. Let's look at the modern pyridine pesticides. Pesticides containing pyridine rings typically exhibit stronger biological activity, lower toxicity, better systemic activity, and greater selectivity, while being compatible with humans and beneficial organisms, meeting the development needs and trends of novel pesticides. Pyridine insecticides mainly include pymetrozine, flunicamide, flubendiamide, chlorantraniliprole, tiorantraniliprole, tetrachlorantraniliprole, tetraniliprole, cyantraniliprole, pyridalo, metafluimazone, etc. Next, let's explore the key characteristics of pyridine insecticides in different categories. 1. Pymetrozine. It is a brand new type of insecticide. It works through systemic contact and stomach actions. Pymetrozine induces an immediate and irreversible blockage of the stylet in pests, ultimately leading to starvation and death. It demonstrates excellent efficacy against pests with piercing sucking mouthparts and shows low toxicity to higher animals and safety for birds, fish, and non-target organisms while maintaining high selectivity for insects. It can be used to control most homopteran pests, especially aphids, whiteflies, leafhoppers, and planthoppers, and is suitable for use on vegetables, rice, cotton, fruit trees, and various field crops. It is translocated through both xylem and phloem in plants, suitable for both foliar spraying and soil treatment. Due to its excellent translocation properties, newly grown branches and leaves are also effectively protected after foliar spraying. 2. Flunicamide. It is a novel insect growth regulator with low toxicity, with good systemic activity, and strong upward translocation capability. Flunicamide exhibits high bioactivity and is effective against pests with piercing sucking mouthparts. It is mainly used to control aphids, whiteflies, thrips, tea-green leafhoppers, rice planthoppers, woodlice, and other sap-feeding pests, with high lethal efficacy against aphids and whiteflies. With strong penetration and translocation properties, flunicamide provides effective protection for newly grown leaves and tissues. It is safe for beneficial insects, natural predators, and the environment. 3. Chlorantraniliprole. It is a compound that acts on ryanodine receptors in insect cells. It mainly works through stomach and contact actions, with some penetration effect. Chlorantraniliprole activates the calcium release channel in the ryanodine receptors of insect cells, causing the uncontrolled release of stored calcium ions, thereby leading to muscle paralysis and insect death. It offers broad-spectrum control of Lepidopteran pests, with exceptional efficacy against larvae, but no effect on eggs. It has extremely low toxicity to mammals, fish, and birds, and is nearly non-toxic to beneficial insects. It doesn't trigger cross-resistance to existing insecticides, making it an ideal solution for pests resistant to them. Flubendiamide, tiorantraniliprole, tetrachlorantraniliprole, and tetraniliprole basically share the same mechanism of action and control targets as chlorantraniliprole, but chlorantraniliprole is more widely used, especially for controlling rice stem borers and diamondback moths. 4. Cyantraniliprole. It is a second-generation ryanodine receptor inhibitor insecticide that acts via contact, stomach, and penetration. It is highly effective against the larvae of Lepidopteran insects, and also effective in controlling pests, aphids, and certain coleopteran and dipteran insects on forage crops. When used early on, it can effectively prevent or postpone the growth of rapidly breeding pest populations, such as whiteflies, aphids, thrips, and woodlice, with no cross-resistance to other insecticides. It is safe for mammals, other vertebrates, and their natural predators. 5. Pyridine. With a unique chemical structure, it shows excellent efficacy against Lepidopteran pests, with no cross-resistance to existing Lepidopteran insecticides. Although its mechanism of action remains unclear, it is mainly used to control the larvae of Lepidopteran pests that damage crops, and is also highly effective against Thysanopteran thrips and dipteran leaf miners. 6. Metaflumizole. It is a brand new compound that works mainly through stomach action, with minor contact activity and no systemic effect. It acts through a unique mechanism by blocking sodium ion channels on the axonal membranes of pest neurons, inhibiting nerve impulses, and causing insect death from excessive paralysis and relaxation. Metaflumizole has shown significant efficacy in controlling Lepidopteran and Coleopteran pests. It is effective against Lepidopteran pests and the larvae and adults of certain Coleopteran pests, and can also be used to control ants, termites, flies, cockroaches, and other common pests. It shows no cross-resistance to existing insecticides and is safe for mammals, birds, and honeybees. That's it for today. You can refer to more sources to learn more about the characteristics and applications of Pyridine insecticides. Thank you.